Personal hygiene for every human is as important as our daily food because it gives us healthy and disease-free life. Good personal hygiene is very important in today's pandemic for both health and social reasons. Keeping your hands and body clean is vital in stopping the development and spread of illness and infection, especially COVID-19. This simple habit doesn't just benefit your health, it can help protect those around you too. Good hygiene lowers your risk for diseases and illnesses commonly spread through viruses and bacteria. Your hands come into contact with bacteria every time you cough, use the restroom, touch your pet, or touch surfaces such as sterilings used frequently by others. So the first is hand washing. It is the best place to start when thinking about personal hygiene is our hands. We are constantly using our hands, touching lots of different surfaces, greeting people, eating, typing at work, or at school. So it should come as no surprise that our hands are one of the biggest carriers of germs. So cleanliness of hands and skin is the most essential part in our daily life. On starting our day, we use many things while handling them. We would touch the object like furniture, coins, supporting roads in buses, etc. So every object that we touch or pay may carry germs, which are transferred over other parts of the body. We can maintain personal hygiene by following some of the measures that help us to attain disease-free life. So some situations when you should always wash your hands include before eating or preparing food, after using the toilet, after coughing or sneezing, or being around someone who is ill. After handling animals, so how to clean our hands? Properly hand washing is part of everyone's daily routine. Washing first your wet hands under running water, then keep hands away from the running water, apply liquid soap, and rub hands together. There are 7 steps of hand washing. The first step is the palm. The second step, back of hands. The third step is the finger waves. The fourth step is back of fingers. The fifth step is the thumbs. The sixth step is the fingertips. The seventh step is the rest. Do not rinse off soap while rubbing. After rubbing, rinse hands thoroughly under running water, then dry your hands thoroughly with either a clean cotton towel, a paper towel, or a hand dryer. Do not touch the water tap directly again with your clean hands, and use a paper towel to wrap the faucet before turning it off. So failing to wash your hands and body regularly can cause these bacteria to multiply, increasing the risk for infection and other health problems. So washing yourself and staying clean can kill and remove illness causing bacteria from your body, lowering the risk for disease. Since a good personal hygiene means caring for your body and washing regularly, it reduces the chance of body odor, which can be embarrassing in social situations at work or at school. Second is the hygienic clothes. Dirt and bacteria can build up on your clothes. As part of your personal hygiene, it is important to take care of your clothes by washing and changing them regularly, especially if you have a family member that has been unwell. Make sure your clothes are hygienically clean. Try adding antiseptic liquid to your laundry to kill any germs. This way, your clothes will be clean and fresh when you put them on. Personal hygiene doesn't have to be difficult. Once you have a good personal hygiene, in place it quickly becomes habit. So it is very important that you set a good example for your children, siblings to follow and encourage them to take care when it comes to their personal hygiene. Being clean and well-groomed can help you feel more confident and comfortable both physically and mentally. Feeling dirty, oily, and unfresh not only puts your physical health at risk, but it can trigger negative emotion of discomfort, irritability, and anxiety. Poor hygiene can affect your mood, your interaction with others, and the way you feel about yourself. Being clean boosts your confidence and self-esteem, and make you seem more positive and attractive to others. So good hygiene can indirectly boost your success at work. And in scenarios that require you to be at your very best. Third is brushing hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure you do not put too much pressure as this can hurt your gums. Clean and brush the surface of your tongue daily because there is bacteria present particularly on the rough top surface of the tongue. This can contribute to bad breath and negatively affect your dental health. So brushing teeth twice daily keeps you free from germs and infection. Make it a habit to wash your hands, change your clothes, and brush your teeth as often as you can to better protect your health.